Chinese, and I'm Jenny. Last time when I showed you how to make this Thai and Chinese flavor salad, I used the homemade chili oil, and I promised that I would demonstrate how to make it. And today I'm going to show you how to make this chili oil. So on this cutting board are the ingredients I'm going to use to flavored oil. 1 piece of star onions, 1 small piece of the cinnamon stick, and about 20 pieces of Sichuan peppercorn, half of red onion I sliced it, 3 slices of ginger, and 1 spring onion I cut about 1 inch long diagonal wise. So the temperature now is 200 degrees, so I lower the fire and then put these ingredients. $20 grams of this dried chili, chop them. 15 grams of this Korean chili powder gives you this red color. The last one is the hottest one, so I only use 10 to 15 grams. Yeah, this is the hottest chili. 20 grams of roasted peanuts, I crushed them. Roast sesame seeds, I slightly grind it. 15 grams of this fermented bean, half teaspoon of the vodka. So in the end, I will add half teaspoon of the salt and 1 teaspoon of the sugar. Don't add the chili powder first because it's very easy to burn. So I will add the fermented bean first. Roasted peanuts, roasted sesame, this thing. Okay, so let it cool down before you put into the jar. This chili oil now is completely cooled down and I put in the jar. You don't need to put in the fridge. It is good for 2 or 3 months in the cupboard. Actually, it is good to mix into the sauce for salad, for noodle, the sauce for dumpling, for fried or steamed bun. Actually, I'm going to use it for a cold dish, sliced beef.